So we were about to film a podcast and my girlfriend's got a flat tyre. So now the three of us are on the way to go and fix it.
I think a bent track rod.
You think a bent track rod?
You didn't explain how the flat tyres are.
Yeah, so someone's got into her and she swerved
Now
off the
turn
road,
left.
and now she's got a flat tyre and she was going to call AA.
We need to get a full story of this because it
Yeah,
doesn't
we
make sense in my head.
do.
I think they haven't hit her. She's just thought they were going to hit her and she's swerved.
Yeah.
And she's had a pig
Well, no,
slap.
because the tyre's on the offside. It's flat.
What?
So the tyre that's flat's on the offside, not the near side.
Right.
Oh, I found the problem. I couldn't have even plugged that. The rim might be fucked, you know. You might not be able to get a bead back on that.
Oh, I shouldn't.
No, you will be able to.
Can we just confirm the handbrake is on before we jack it up?
Yeah, so that's right. It's left.
Fucking hate locking wheel, man. I've had enough. I do this, like, you think I'm in the army and I shoot things all the time. And really it's just fixing the vehicle. There we go.
Why? That seems stupid.
So it gives you
Yeah, that'll do.
Is that on the jacking point?
Yeah.
I don't like the top link. It's upset me. It's really upsetting. No. Next time warn me when I put my head under the car. Limit. That's its limit.
That's its limit.
Just fucking do this off me. Lift it up.
Come and see if we can go a bit higher.
I've just lifted it. Over that.
Well,
Better. Handbrake lines look dead easy to change.
better than not.
Better than the fucking transit that I'm working on. Oh, the fucking lemon.
That's going to be an issue later.
Big boy brakes then.
Is the track rod ends or anything bent? No, they look fine. Look alright. It is.
This has never had its brakes changed.
No, it hasn't. It's too new.
So we don't lose things. Impact on?
You are? Impact them on.
Oh, I'm only putting them on, so it's saying you don't just impact everything, by the way.
Yeah, like lock and wheel nuts. We don't impact lock and wheel nuts.
We do?
No, we don't.
Oh, we don't?
Because they strip. It strips the key in on them. The amount of lock and wheel nuts I've had to get removed because I've been to a tyre shop and they fucking...
Mate, are you telling me I can't impact that on? I'll strip it. I will impact that on. And you'll watch me.
You what?
They look sturdy, them track rods.
Alpine edition.
Built French, innit?
What? The mechanics are sound, but the
Well,
electrics
this
are
is typical
fucked.
French car, innit? Just curb it and then fucking get someone else to fix it. Typical French people thing. The coilovers were invented because the French roads were so shit and people just used to rag it through them.
Yeah,
That wheel needs to go in car.
in my car.
And then 2 tyre place. And just looking at it.
They've made us a brew and we're not going to have time to have it because
Come with me in the car.
That's heavy wheel, that. Feel that?
Oh, mate, even the trot look, the trot links look easy to change. The nuts are both facing you.
I think we need to start buying French cars.
No.
Oops, sorry. Like a glove. So we're now on our way to go and get a tyre, thanks to Emily. Would you like to explain what happened, Emily?
No. Burst it the night. Don't you dare.
Someone's curbed their tyre.
Trying to save myself.
Said she got crashed into.
I didn't, not crashed into, just hit.
Just a bump.
Yeah.
I can't see
And
that.
then I curbed it.
On what though? Because there's no
you've
curbs around
you've gone down the
here.
wrong road, I would have shown you. Story time.
Story time with Emily.
Yeah. It's not fucking peaceful.
And do you know what pisses me off as well? I was like, right, we'll do our holiday shopping. I did fucking 5 t-shirts, 5 pairs of shorts, Bosch. Cost me 250 quid. Summer, 11 outfits for like 60 quid. What the fuck's going on? Men's clothes are way more expensive.
Yeah,
than
men's
women's.
clothes are more expensive.
Most shops don't even
Women
have
walk
men's
around
clothes
in
anymore.
Primani clothes and I'm fucking, do you know what I mean? Won't speak to me because I'm not wearing fucking the square jeans at £450.
Who?
Squared? You never heard of the squared?
No. Because I've said it was tall. You've just gone with the words curved it. That's why I'm telling you go down that lane so I can show you.
You told us nothing
Like
about a
big
bouldery thing.
stone. It's a country lane. There's no fucking curbs. I'm just saying it's curbed.
Even the tyre man said you curbed it before he even picked the wheel up.
Oh my god, I'm admitting that I curbed it. Not that I just went into the curb willingly. Oh yeah, it's a nice curb that, I'm going to go into it.
Nobody purposely curbs the car.
Exactly.
I don't know, Alex might.
Very nice.
Wait.
No, it's ever so slightly too low.
Let's see. So it is. Jackman!
Where's the... Oh, it's here.
Where it's meant to be?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no, Consuelo said no.
No.
No. Why did I take this all the way down? So fucking...
Isn't it mad? I had a full-size trolley jack in my car and now we're stuck with this McDonald's. What are you doing?
Actually put it on the jacking point.
Someone lift it up. Come on. Done that. Lift it up. Now line it up. Yeah, leave it now.
There. Come on.
That in?
Don't know, fucking sand it in. Doesn't need to come off again.
If a girl ever said that to me, I'll be like, don't know. Is it in? Yeah. I'll be like, I don't know, I can't feel.
Whoa.
I build race cars.
Thing is, he does.
Just not very well. There's always problems.
What, like when the fan belt, the auxiliary out snaps?
We are down a lug nut. It's there. I don't know why I'm doing Borat voices today. Yeah, I'm in mode 1 on it.
You don't need the ID for football.
What did you say? Oh no, you strip the lock and wheel nut out like that.
I've done it before.
You just put that right back on the fucking axle stand.
I?
What does he do without me?
Up we go again.
Hey, you got an upgrade anyway.
Why?
They're Pilot Sport 4s.
Oh fucking hell. Yeah they are.
Pilot Sport 4s. I'm fucking £300 a tyre for this. With loads of tread as well.
You give us a nearly new.
Your one side will be dead grippy.